So let's go back to Google. So click in the address bar www.google.co.uk. Here we go. And this time we want to type in paint.net. Now we don't want this one, we want this one, paint.net, which is www.getpaint.net. Free software for digital photo editing. That's what we want. Click on that one. Right, again, because this is free software, you'll see adverts all over the place, but we don't want to click on any of them. I'm going to click on this link here, get it now, free download, paint.net. Click on that one. Again, another distracting button, but come down here to where it says version, whatever it is, blah 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 blah, and under download, where it says there, download now, little disk icon. We come to another page with a distracting download button, and this is the one we want. Click on that, and finally we get to the file. Save. I'm going to save it on my desktop in the files folder, which is where I downloaded FileZilla to, which I've now deleted, but just save that. Give it a couple of seconds, depending on how fast your internet is. Here we go. Just going to scan for viruses. It'll do that on my computer because I've got an antivirus program installed already. It might do that for you, it might not. But once that's done, it'll stop like that. Again, because I'm using Firefox, it'll look like this. If you're not using Firefox, it might look slightly different. If you're using Google Chrome or Internet Explorer, it looks slightly different. So I just clear my download list, close that. Then I'm going to close, I'll just minimize my Firefox for a second. Go into my files folder on my desktop, and there it is. That's what I've just downloaded, right? Now you'll notice this thing is, on my computer, it's got this funny little icon, because this is a zip file. So it's a whole bunch of files that have been packed into one to make it easier to download, because there's lots and lots of files inside there. You don't want to download them all at once. So it compresses it, so it's quicker to download it. So we're actually going to have to unzip it or unpack it all into its original form so we can actually install it. Now if you don't have anything like WinZip or anything on your computer that opens zip files, then you actually need to get something that does that. So for those of you that haven't got any software on to do that, you'll know that because when you double click on it, it won't do anything. It'll say I can't open this file, and you won't see anything like that. So all you have to do then is just go back to Google again for those that haven't got any way of opening zip files, and in the box type in WINRAR, WinRAR, and go to this site, rarlab.com, and go to downloads, and then here where you've got WinRAR 8632-bit, that's the one you want there. This is for Windows users. If you've got so just click on that one there, and then download and install WinRAR. It's dead simple. I've already got it installed on my machine, so just save it, run it, and install it just like we did the FileZilla thing. But once you've done that, it'll look like this. You'll get the little book icon, and all you need to do then to unzip it is right click on it and go down to here which says extract to paint.net, which means it's going to create a folder for us called that with all of the unpacked files in it. So click on that, and it'll do the unzipping process for us, and there's the folder with the actual program inside it. So before it was smaller. To make it smaller to download, they put it into a zip file, and all we've done is just unzipped it into its original form, right?